everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll learn about 10 YouTube ideas you can make money without showing your face. Now this can work for you just like it has for many other creators because it's worldwide. You don't need any experience. You can start part-time and you can work up to a full-time income. I have friends who make a full-time income on YouTube with this method. We're gonna go over examples of channels. I'm gonna share with you how you can find content for these videos and the software that you can use to create these videos. But I want you to stick around until the end because there is a specific strategy that makes this work, and I have a webinar that you can watch. I have a friend who was very consistent on YouTube for quite some time. I'm sure it was over a year, put up a lot of great content, but his channel just wasn't doing that well. I shared this webinar with him. He's in the training. His channel is absolutely taking off. Shout out to you, Chris. Super excited. He just crossed over 5,000 subscribers. His views are going up, his revenue's going up. I'm really, really excited for him. So make sure you stick around until the end for that. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first channel I want to share with you is called Llama Arts, and this is in the horror category. So let's go ahead and take a look at this channel here. They do just really short videos about horror stories, and it's all completely animated. So if we take a look at this one, you see it's only like 4 minutes long, but it's just this little story that's about something scary. And they just posted this on April 27th and they already have over 700,000 views. So you can tell that this channel is very popular. This would be something very easy to do, easy to outsource. If we look at their Social Blade, they get over 2 million views a month, and this isn't totally accurate on their monthly earnings, but I'm sure they're making at least 10,000 or more a month just through Google Adsense. So that's the first channel. Second channel is by Michael Seeley, and this one is in the meditation niche. You can see he has over 1 million subscribers. His meditation is guided meditation. He really only posts like once a month. So you can see that he still gets a lot of views on his videos here. Over 5 million views in the last 30 days, and he is making some good money on his channel as well. And this would be something that you could easily outsource. You can find stock footage. I'll show you where you can find that. But if we look at his guided meditation, let's see, this is an ad right here. Let's go ahead and click off of that. But let's take a look at what his guided meditation is. It's over an hour, and you can just go ahead and loop it back if you just have a small clip. And you can see it's just a lot of stock footage, and then he's doing the guided meditation. And you can hire somebody to do guided meditation for you as well. But it's not difficult to do, and again, these channels are getting a lot of views. If you go to YouTube and see like how many people are actually searching for meditation, because YouTube is the second largest search engine under Google. You can see there's over 800,000 searches per month for meditation. So that's a really good niche to go into. I actually think that my next channel is going to be in this niche or psychology, because that's something that's very interesting to me. So that's the second one. The third one is called Top Think. And this is different things about personal development. They don't show their face again on this channel at all. But I thought it was interesting, the one that they just posted yesterday, how to be 12% better looking per men. I don't know how they measure 12%, but you can see that all their videos are popular. This one's got over 15,000 views, and they just posted it on the 24th yesterday. So it's all animated, and they're just talking about different topics about personal development. They get over 6 million views a month, and I'm sure their revenue is probably around 25,000 or so with just Google Adsense. So that's a really great channel, Top Think. Fourth one is in the tutorial niche. This niche is very, very popular. This particular channel just does tutorials on Photoshop. So you can see let's see if they've posted any recent videos, but a lot of these channels that have a lot of subscribers, they don't post all that often, like maybe once a week or once a month. This one actually is not posting anymore. It looks like it's been a year ago, but they still get over 300,000 views per month, and it looks like their earnings are not that much, but you get the idea. You can do any type of tutorial. If you know something about one particular topic, then you can start a whole YouTube channel around that, and you'll definitely get some subscribers and views because people are looking for, like Photoshop tutorials. There's over 60,000 views per month. So that's another great niche without showing your face. Fifth example is Exposa Travel. And this, of course, is in the travel niche. But if you look at their videos, this has less subscribers, but still it's a lot, 206,000. Let's click off this ad here. But if you look at their channel, it's basically music and stock footage on Austria. So it'd be very easy to do these type of videos. So they just have all different types of stock footage, or actually just photos, I think, and then they put music over the top of it depending on which scene it is. They have different types of music for each scene. So I really like this channel. They're actually have over 700,000 views in the last 30 days. So that's another example for you. The sixth one is Home Science. And this is in the science niche, and you will see that this channel isn't posting anymore either, but a year ago they posted, this one was 2.5 million views. But I like to look at, let's see if they're still getting subscribers. They're just basically doing science experiments and just filming themselves doing that. So if you're into science, that might be a great idea for you, but they're still getting 20,000 subscribers a month, and they're not even posting anymore. But this is what I found interesting too. The trending video, this one that they posted 3 years ago, is still getting over 3,000 views per hour. So this is a really great niche to get into as well. And again, you're not showing your face on that one either. The seventh one I wanted to share with you is in the craft niche, Ventuno Arts, and they have over 1 million subscribers as well. It's like a DIY channel. And if we look at their Social Blade stats, they get over 5 million views per month, and I would say their earnings are probably around 20,000 per month just from Google Adsense. That's not including other sources of revenue. But let's take a look at their videos here. They're just doing simple crafts and filming their hand, and they never show their face in the videos. Click off of this ad here. Okay, so that's a really great channel to do is arts. This one's in the beauty niche, and that is Cutepolish. So if you love to do nails, this would be a great niche to get into, because all of their tutorials are just someone putting nail polish on and decorating nails. So let's take a look at this one here. You can see they're obviously monetizing with ads, but they just show you how to do different nails. And let's see, they get not as many views and subscribers, but this is a great idea for you if you're interested in nails. And next one is called Skinny Recipes. I really love this channel. They have over 1 million subscribers, and she is just showing you how to make certain recipes, and they're very short videos. They're like 3 minutes long, and you can just see that she just goes through how to make the recipe. And again, she has over 1 million subscribers, and she has over 7 million views in the last 30 days. She's probably making about $25,000 a month with Google AdSense, or maybe even more than 28,000. I don't know. I've heard that this isn't very accurate, but it's just kind of a general guide of how much someone would be making with their channel. So that's number 9. The last one is called Not Timelapse, and this is a photography channel. And these are all time-lapse videos of things decaying, which is very interesting, I think. We can just click on this ice cream time lapse. This one's going to be with it basically decomposing. Let me just speed it up here. Or this one might just be ice cream melting, but it's interesting that people are so interested in things like this. It's just a 4-minute long video, and it has over 300,000 views. It was just posted on May 17th. So I won't play all this, but you get the idea. It's decomposing. I think they just, yeah, because they're letting it set out for days, and then they just do a time lapse of how it looks. So those are just some ideas for you. There's a lot of different niches that you could get into. Another way that you can get channel ideas is just go to YouTube. Again, that's a great search engine, and then filter by channel. So let's say you wanted to go into the dog training niche. You would just go, whatever it is that you were thinking about doing, just go and click on filter, and then just click on channel. And then all the channels in that particular niche will come up, and you just can take a look at them and see which ones may be like faceless YouTube channels. And then I wanted to share with you what the other profitable niches would be. There's 50 of them actually that I have, but I couldn't share them all with you here. But these are just some examples: Fortnite, Reddit, life hacks, pet care, real estate, car repair, fashion, dating advice, psychology, parenting how-tos, music tutorials, and magic. So those are really great niches to get into. You can do them all faceless channels. An idea of how much these channels will make. Now, it depends on which niche you get into, as far as with Google AdSense, which, in case you don't know, that's when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. Then you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and you can place videos in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos, depending on how long they are. They have to be longer than 10 minutes, or at least 10 minutes to put it in the middle. But a tech channel will get paid $10 per 1,000 views. CPM is per 1,000 views. Make money online, about 10. Travel, 9. Science, 7. Life hacks, $6.50, and horror around $6. That's not always that way, but that's just a general idea, so you can see how many views people have on these videos that I just showed you on these channels, and you can get an idea of how much they're making per video, and it can be a lot of money for each video. So that's just an idea of how much you could make. Now, you don't have to make money just through Google AdSense, so you don't have to wait until you get monetized to be making money, because I made money on my channel long before I was monetized. And you can sell merchandise on your channel, which is like print on demand. You can have t-shirts, cups, baseball caps, things like that, and then people purchase them, and then when they purchase them, you get the print on demand. Also, if you place affiliate links in your description. So let's take a look and see if some of these do have affiliate links here, or that they may be selling their own products as they get to be larger. Now, I always would put the link right here. You don't have to scroll down. I would definitely be putting this link up at the top, but he does have a link in here, so he is making money other ways than just Google AdSense. He's selling his meditation CDs. Let's see if this one here, they're selling merchandise. This one here, and then they do have some Amazon links here to different affiliate programs. I'm interested to see if what this Cutepolish has as far as affiliate programs. Yeah, they have, they're selling on Amazon some nail products. So again, you don't have to be monetized to be making money, and just through Google AdSense is a small portion of what you can make on YouTube, but you can see they have a lot of different products that they sell on Amazon. So that's just an idea that you can have other ways that you can monetize YouTube. And then in order to find these stock video and photos, there's a couple of free sites. Well, actually the first three are free sites. Pixabay. If you go here, you can see that you can get photos, you can get videos, and just download them for free and then put them into an editor. And then also Pexels.com is another one. They've got a lot of great videos here and photographs as well. And then the other one that's free is archive.org. YouTube is free as well. I don't know, you might not have been aware that they have an audio library too, so you can just go to this website here and then be able to download for free there. This last one I wanted to share with you, I actually use because I just like to be able to download it directly into Camtasia. It is paid, and I paid $200 for it. And it's per year, so it would be less than like $20 a month, but I really like it because, see, you can go right here and just open it in Camtasia, and they have a lot of things that are like effects, like transitioning, or you can do intros and outros. So if you want to put different points on in your video, like point number 1, point number 2, you can have all those there. And then of course they have images in here as well. They have audio, music, sound effects. So that's another thing, if you do use Camtasia, that's available to you for the video and photos. And then as far as the software, if you want to do animation videos, which are very, very popular, there's a software called Doodly. And then again, Camtasia is a software in itself to do screen capture, and then you do the editing inside of Camtasia as well. iMovie you can use on Mac, that's for editing, and openshot.org is a free software as well to do editing. Camtasia is not free. That is around $200 for I think it was $250 for the actual editing. I hope you guys got some ideas from these channels of what you may do to make money on YouTube. If you're going to get started, post below what your niche is going to be, what your channel is going to be about. I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to see people be successful on YouTube. And if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the video. If you want to learn more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to listen to that webinar, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. That's going to help you to learn exactly the strategy on how to make this work for you. If you like this video, I think you'll really like these 2 videos coming up. 8 websites you can make $100 per day, and best ways to get started in affiliate marketing. Those are getting started right now.